Hello and good day. I hope this video finds you healthy and happy. So, what I thought I would do today is review some of the modifications that I made to my Tesla Model Y long range. Did a lot of research trying to find some of the best reviewed products and things that were relatively inexpensive to do. I didn't make any modifications that required pulling like pulling pieces off of the dashboard or anything like that. I didn't want to get into too many electrical modifications. The only one that I really made was the puddle lights, which is pretty simple. But I just wanted to make sure that I didn't do anything to void my warranty. So enjoy the review of the modifications that I made and have a good day. So the first thing, once I decided to purchase the vehicle, was I hired an electrician to install the Tesla wall charger. The Tesla wall charger is very convenient to have and to use and much faster than 110 or 220 charging. Once I got the car, I decided to have it completely covered in paint protection film or PPF. PPF, in my opinion, is almost a necessity because of stone chips, bug hits, scratches, minor imperfections that happen over time. Um, I think it's worth the money. It can be a little pricey, but um, certainly worth the value. I also had the windows tinted because of the summer heat. Tinting's almost a necessity. So next are the Uber turbine hubcaps with the red Tesla logo and also tire valve stem caps with the red Tesla logo. The logos that come standard on the Model Y are silver, and I didn't particularly care for them, so decided to go with the red Tesla logo, and these just cover the silver logo and stick on. Continuing with some of the interior modifications, I added puddle lights to all four doors along with lit kick plates and silicone inserts for the door. I have 3D custom mats and the performance pedals. I didn't like the standard pedals that come with the Model Y. Across the top of the dash, I have a felt dash cover, which cleans very nicely with a lint roller and helps protect the dash from the blazing summer sun that we get. My only regret with that dash cover is that it's branded with the white Tesla logo as opposed to the red Tesla logo. If you note, I have a shelf that attaches magnetically below the screen, and it attaches magnetically to a shelf that is behind the screen. Here I have the Tesla seatbelt covers and the Tesla branded neck pillows. Again, disappointment here that I couldn't get these in the red Tesla branding, but I have them for both the front and the back seat belts. In the rear, as I mentioned, also the door protectors, the kick plates, the lighted kick plates, the puddle lights, sorry, the 3D mats, some storage, under seat storage containers, again fairly large and very convenient to pull in and out and stay out of sight. I have some hooks that fit over the back of the seat, again for both seats, and the Tesla branded seatbelt covers. You have things of note in the center console. You have the carbon fiber accents that I've added. You have a USB-C and a USB-A additional ports. You have the silicone cup holder that also is a nice key holder portion to it. You have a faux leather Tesla branded center console cover. You have a hidden storage area inside the armrest. Inside the armrest, you have more storage containers with a cutout in the rear because you have a port available to you here. So this is a nice deep storage area. This doesn't slide, it only pulls out, but provides you with a little storage organization. And the same in the front. This piece, however, does slide. Again, a deep area there. I have a silicone mat to help protect that. And these are the two USB-C ports that connect and power the USB extensions here. So this, again, a nice little organizer. And this has some silicone mats to it that are easily removed. You just flip it over, they drop out to clean the storage area. In the trunk, I have some carbon fiber metal protectors for the trunk space. So again, if I'm putting anything or taking anything out of the trunk, it doesn't mark up the plastic. This will protect that. I have the 3D mats for the entire length of the back, including the protectors for the seat back. So when I lay the seat down, the entire trunk is protected. And in the trunk itself, I have some additional protection for that. I have both side containers. Again, you have to purchase these silicone. The car doesn't come with these, so they just fit nicely into that space. Again, more cargo space for you to add. That again is very easily hidden and covered up. Solid, both sides. And the mat for the bottom of the front. Thank you for watching. I'll include links to the video below. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you can enjoy this and many more videos like this. Thank you and have a great day.